Ever asked ChatGPT something and got a vague or unhelpful answer? Today, I'll show you how to master prompt engineering, a technique to get the best, most accurate responses from AI. What to expect in this video? 1. What is prompt engineering? 2. Key techniques for crafting better prompts. 3. Real examples and comparisons. 4. Advanced tips for professionals. What is prompt engineering? 1. Definition. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting clear, structured, and strategic inputs to get precise answers from ChatGPT. 2. Why it matters. AI generates responses based on what you ask. 2. A poorly structured prompt leads to a poor answer. Example: bad prompt, tell me about marketing. Good prompt, explain digital marketing strategies for small businesses in 2024, including social media and SEO techniques. Small blue diamond, key takeaway: the more specific your prompt, the better the response. Techniques to write better prompts. 1. Be specific and detailed. 1. Instead of general queries, include context, details, and desired format. 2. Example: bad prompt, write about fitness. Good prompt, create a 500-word blog post on the benefits of strength training for beginners, including exercises and common mistakes. 2. Use step-by-step instructions. 1. ChatGPT performs better when you break tasks into steps. Example: bad prompt, how do I start a YouTube channel? Good prompt, list the first 5 steps to launching a successful YouTube channel, including equipment, content planning, and SEO tips. Small blue diamond. 3. Set a role for ChatGPT. Example: ask ChatGPT to act as an expert for better results. Bad prompt, explain cryptocurrency. Good prompt, act as a financial advisor and explain cryptocurrency investment strategies for beginners. Small blue diamond. 4. Use constraints and formatting. 1. Example: white tick mark, summarize this article in bullet points. White tick mark, write a social media caption under 50 words. 4 real-world examples and comparisons. 6 o'clock to 7:30. Scenario 1, writing a resume summary. Bad prompt, write a resume summary for a software engineer. Good prompt, write a resume summary for a senior software engineer with 5+ years of experience in Python and cloud computing. Scenario 2, learning a new skill. Bad prompt, how do I learn graphic design? Good prompt, create a 3-month learning plan for graphic design with beginner-friendly software, online courses, and daily practice tasks. Scenario 3, getting code help. Bad prompt, fix my Python code. Good prompt, here's my Python code for a calculator. It's showing an error on line 8. Can you debug it? 5 advanced prompting strategies. 7:30 to 8:30. Small blue diamond, chain of thought prompting. 1. Instead of asking for an instant answer, make ChatGPT think step by step. 2. Example: good prompt, explain how photosynthesis works in 5 simple steps. Small blue diamond, iterative prompting. 1. If the first response isn't perfect, refine your prompt based on the AI's output. 2. Example: good prompt, that's good, but can you simplify it for a 10-year-old? 6 closing thoughts and call to action. Recap. 1. Always be specific, structured, and intentional with your prompts. 2. Experiment with roles, formats, and constraints for better results. Next video, ChatGPT for productivity, how to save time and work smarter. Like and subscribe for more AI tips. Comment below your favorite prompting technique. What's next? Now that we've mastered prompt engineering, in the next video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT for productivity, saving time on emails, work, learning, and more.